Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the bottom row in your keyboard. This row, featuring keys like Ctrl, Function, Windows or Command, Alt, and the spacebar, is crucial for efficient computer interaction. These keys aren't just for show, they are your direct link to system commands and navigation. Mastering them will significantly enhance your speed and productivity, transforming how you interact with your digital world every single day. Let's dive in and unlock their full potential. Let's explore the essential combinations on the left side. The Control key is your go-to for commands like Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste, saving you countless clicks. The Windows or Command key instantly opens your Start menu or launches applications, providing quick access to your system. And the Alt key, often used with other keys, helps you access menu options or type special characters. These combinations are fundamental for navigating your computer with speed and precision. Moving to the right side, you'll find mirrored Control and Alt keys, offering convenience for both hands. The Function key, often labeled FN, is vital for activating special features like adjusting your screen brightness or controlling volume, usually in combination with the F keys. And of course, the spacebar, the longest key, is used hundreds of times a day for spacing words and selecting options. Each key plays a unique and important role in your daily computing tasks. To truly master your bottom row, consider advanced tips. You can even remap these keys using third-party software to create personalized shortcuts, tailoring your keyboard to your exact needs. Explore accessibility features like sticky keys, which can simplify complex combinations. The key is consistent practice. Integrate these powerful combinations into your daily workflow, and you'll notice a significant boost in your efficiency and overall computer experience. Keep practicing, and you'll become a keyboard wizard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.